Hello and welcome back. If your Honeywell alarm system is displaying an ECP error, it's likely related to a communication issue between the keypad and the control panel. But don't worry, in this guide, we'll tackle how to fix the Honeywell ECP error efficiently. With just a few simple troubleshooting steps, you can resolve this issue and have your alarm system running smoothly again. Before diving into the fix, it's essential to understand what ECP means. ECP, or Enhanced Console Protocol, is a communication protocol used by Honeywell alarm pads to interact with the control panel. An ECP error usually indicates a problem in this communication line. Here's how to address the error. Step 1. Check the wiring connection. The first step is to examine all wiring connections between the keypad and the control panel. Loose or damaged wires can disrupt communication, causing an ECP error. Inspect the connections. Carefully open the keypad and control panel covers. Verify wire attachments. Ensure each wire is securely connected to the correct terminals. Tighten any loose connections and check for signs of wear or damage, such as frayed wires. Replace damaged wires. If you find any damaged wiring, replace it with the appropriate gauge wire to ensure stable communication. Step 2. Reboot the system. Rebooting your alarm system can help clear temporary glitches that may trigger the ECP error. Power down. Disconnect the system from its power source. This includes unplugging from the wall and removing the backup battery. Wait a few minutes. Allow the system to fully power down, waiting about 5 minutes to ensure a complete reset. Reconnect power. Reinsert the backup battery and plug the system back into the wall outlet. Wait for the system to reboot and check if the error persists. Step 3. Verify device addressing. Incorrect keypad addressing can also lead to ECP errors. Enter programming mode. Access the programming mode of your alarm system. Check address settings. Ensure each device, like additional keypads, is assigned a unique address that matches the control panel's configuration. Adjust addresses. Correct any discrepancies in device addressing. Save the settings and exit programming mode. Step 4. Update firmware and perform a system test. Ensuring your Honeywell system's firmware is up to date can prevent various errors, including ECP issues. Firmware check. Contact Honeywell or your alarm service provider to confirm if there's a new firmware update available. Install updates. Follow the instructions to update the firmware on your alarm system. System test. After updating, perform a complete test of your system functions to ensure everything is operating correctly. Clearing the Honeywell ECP error is often just a matter of checking connections, rebooting the system, verifying device addressing, and ensuring up-to-date firmware. These steps should help restore communication between your keypad and control panel. Remember, maintaining regular checks and updates can prevent these issues from arising in the future. If the error persists after following these steps, consider contacting Honeywell support or a professional alarm technician for further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe with your well-functioning alarm system.